today I have OnePlus Ace 5 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. Our first step to add event is opening our calendar application and it on one day when we want to add it, maybe 23 of January, and there this plus icon and event. First step, we can add title of our event. In this part we can set when our event starts and finish in which time, or we can turn on and turn off, it will be all day event. There we can set repeat of that if we need it, maybe every month, every week, or what you prefer. There we can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts, add location of our event if we need it. There we can add notification to that, maybe 50 minutes before, 31 hour, what you prefer. There we can change color about our notification to this event, add description and attachment. After we set all we need, we press save and we have it in our calendar. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.